Okay, my friends, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan here. Today we're going to make another healthy dish. It's going to be a turkey burger with some salsa and some cheddar cheese, and we're having it with a salad tonight, so that's good for us. But anyway, it's easy to put together. It's tasty, and for those of you that's looking for Weight Watcher meals, this is another zero one. So hang on, I think you guys are going to like it. Okay, so here we have my pan heating up. It's getting warm. In the bowl here I have a pound of turkey with a quarter of an onion and 1 egg. Back there I have some fat-free cheddar cheese, 0 points. Cheese salsa sauce, also 0 points. Some jalapeños we're going to dump in with our turkey mix. And this is the Jenny O turkey that we're using. 99% fat-free, lean, 1% fat. Whoa! Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so what we're going to do first is I'm going to put some spray over here, and then we're going to mix up these here burger things. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to mix it. I washed my hands, so don't want everybody get all excited. I'm putting the egg in there mainly to help hold this together. Now you guys can add any kind of seasoning you want, poultry seasoning, whatever you like, salt and pepper. Because what we're going to try to do, I'm trying to get this as nice and mushy as I can so I can put together my little burgers. They're going to be good. I make something similar to this with the beef, called the zesty beef turnover. That's pretty good. But this one's a little different. Well, same premise, but it's a little different. Okay, we're going to put a little of our jalapeños in there for added flavor. Mix that all around. Okay. Got that pretty well mixed up. Hopefully I'm getting a couple burgers out of this mess. Yeah. So that's what you have right there, okay? Okay, so now on to the burger here. Let me get one of my portion scoops. I'm trying to keep this as even as possible here. I don't know. Let's try this. I'm going with the big ones today, huh? Okay, so we're getting some in the portion scoop. Try to get about close to the same amount on each one of these. Okay, so what we're going to do, we want to form this into a patty and make a little gully in the middle, because we want to load that up with some cheese and some of the sauce, and then we're going to cover that with another patty. And we're going to try to seal up the edges so that nothing comes apart, right? And nothing oozes out. All right, here we go. Patty number one, just about there. Okay, I'll cover that in there. Yeah, I was gonna try to get a little more ingredients in here, but Penny said, no, it's gonna be too much. Well, this was her doing. She wanted these, so I agreed with her. We haven't had this kind of thing in a while. We were looking for this turkey. Okay, see, I made it almost like a baby pizza pie. See that? Okay, so now let me wipe my hands up. We're gonna get a little this here salsa. My hands all slimy from the turkey. Hold on, folks. We have a malfunction with the lid. Yeah, it does help if your hands are nice and dry and not slimy from the from the turkey. So anyway, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little scoop of this in the middle, and we're gonna kind of smear it around just like a pizza pie. Oh, you're gonna love this, huh? Okay. Don't want to go too crazy. Then we're gonna put a little bit of cheese there. All right. So now we're going to get us another scoop, basically the same. And again, form it out. And we're trying to keep everything nice and tucked in there. Get in there, get in there, okay? All right. And we plop that on top, see? And then we're going to try to close all the edges in, because we don't want this coming up, blowing all the cheese out anyway. Every time I make these though, something always leaks out. It doesn't matter. But it'll be good, because when we get done, we're going to top this with some more cheese and some of the sauce, and it'll be good. Okay, there's one. All right, looking good so far, huh? Okay, now we're going to readjust our heat again. And we're looking to get the pan pretty well warmed up, not just a little. See, that happens. Tell you, you got slimy hands, everything happens to you. Trying to over grip, sit and jump. All right. So I'm going to spray some of this in the pan here. I'm going to use a cast iron skillet. All right. I'm going to swing you guys around here, so hold on. Okay. The pan is hot, the oil's hot. And the sizzle self. Now what we're going to try to do is cook this on what they call a 75-25 method. We're going to wait until it gets about 75%. Hopefully it'll be nice and golden brown, not really burnt. We're going to let it cook up to where the meat starts changing color more than halfway up the side, and then we'll flip it. Make sure it's good and cooked. We have one nice crust. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, just flipped it. And this is what you got here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, we don't want to touch that yet. And remember, I still got my pot holder. Always act like this thing is hot. It's really warm, but even when you're cold, you should have that out. Okay, so let me cook this side and we'll be back. Now, if you can see around the edges, you see how it's no longer that pink color, it's white? That's what you're looking for. We're also going to give this a thermometer poke when we think it's done. Alright, so we're just continuing on here. This has only been cooking a few minutes. Okay, I just did another flip. Everything's firming up. So far, nothing's leaking too bad. That's what I always worry about these burgers, because they leak stuff, you know. So anyway, everything's doing pretty good. I'm going to get my temperature probe and we'll see what we got. Hold on. Okay, my temperature probe reads 162, 163, and bouncing back and forth. So I think it'll be done because it'll still cook when we take it off. So that's what we're going to do that in 1 minute. Okay, my friends, there you have it. A little turkey burger in progress. We'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay, we're about the taste test table. Mr. Elmo's loving it. He got the first bite, as per usual. What I'm going to try to do, I'm try to cut into this. See the layer of cheese in there. You got some salsa in there. But the main thing is, how does it taste, right? So we're going to get us a little cut here. Wow. Wow, that is, that's it. I just changed the name. This is a turkey Mexi melt. You guys gotta try this. Knock your socks off. It's healthy. One more bite and we're out of here, huh? But Honey and I are gonna have this with salad tonight. Can't help it. It's good. Anyway, I'm gonna give this a try. It doesn't take much. A few ingredients, as you saw. Weight Watcher friendly. Everything 0 points. So without further ado, let's get down to business. This is Mr. Dan saying, when you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. This COVID stuff ain't over yet. When you're out and about, use the spray or the gel, wipe your hands. When you get home, wash them again. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another turkey Mexi melt like this one. Yes. And give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet. When you do, the notification bell will pop up. You hit that, it'll let you know each time we have a new video come out. And there's a little arrow right below the video in the upper right hand corner. You hit that, drop down box will come down. The recipe and the ingredients and how we do it will be in there. A link to our Facebook page, our group page, and then also to my daughter's artwork page. So, without further ado, this is Mr. Dan saying, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back and we'll give you another delicious dish just like this. We're out.